Today we are going to explain all about Clarius catfish care. This is a monstrous fish and is also a powerful fish. It's a great predatory fish and used also as a food fish. It has spines on both sides of its pectoral fins, as well as it has a large spine in its dorsal fin. Can bite, has whiskers like other catfishes. And this is the largest species, can squeeze up mouses and frogs jumping over from land. I have told you that one of his tank mate had died because it jumped out of his tank from the hole. But they can live on land, but it had been fall from a very higher place. So I think it had been died by stroke or heart fail something, or it had been get hurt for this. This was so unexpected. I have showed you semi-albino coloration. This is a common coloration and is used also often as a fish food. The Bengali name of this fish is referred to as Deshi Magur fish. Cannot be kept with goldfish or any other types of fish because they are so aggressive fish, and only be kept with these species. They can also kill cichlids and they can fight with piranhas. Piranhas will kill them or they will kill piranhas, no guarantee. So it is best to feed them shrimps. Dried brine shrimp would be good to feed them. Optimum fish pellets are also good. Medicine will be given as rock salt because this fish doesn't get any disease quickly. This fish is very hardy and can survive without a filter. Can get 2 feet long, 1 feet to 2 feet long in length. These fishes quite long, so you want to keep in 1 feet tank only one fish. They can bully their tank mates like other Clarius catfish. It is best to keep them alone or keep them in a group with one male and two females. It would be best. So they can eat any fish that is smaller than its mouth and can attack any fish in their tank present. And also it will attack on its relatives also as well. So this is a very aggressive fish. We have to keep it only in a separate aquarium. They can survive without water filter. So this is the best fish and is available for any market, and this is the best beginner aggressive fish to start out. Okay, so this is the best fish I found. This is like the king of aquariums in India. Not the discus is not the king because this is a imported fish, but is very good in collection. I also like them, but I would vote only in aggression and size and length of monster fish. They can also don't have the opportunity. The red tail catfish can live with large fishes, but you can't keep with any type of fish. These fish shouldn't be keep with any type of fish. So this should be the dwarf monster king fish of aquarium. So take care of your pets, take care of yourselves, and bye bye.